Okay, so here's this Goodman heat pump with a rotary that I filmed in 2020. And this little Payne heat pump. I'll just quickly get the data off of this. And here's the Goodman. It's 2022 ton GSZ14. And here we have another new AC Pro. I think this actually replaced a Rheem Classic from like 2016 or something, which is weird. These things are replacing everything. LG school. And a very weird looking suction accumulator. Still not sure how to tell the data on the date on these. And here's another carrier round one. And has this seriously been running? That's funny. It looks like all the heat pumps around here have been running. Bristol recip this York has. But yeah, those two are the bakes. Excuse me. The Goodman and the AC Pro are basically the two units of this video. So, yeah, I guess this carrier. So, these units seem about the same quality as Ameristar units. I mean, they're the same exact design. So, anyways, yep. Thank you for watching.